Automate your YouTube channel. So in this video, I'll show you 6 best and amazing YouTube channel automation ideas via which you can automate your daily tasks related to your YouTube channel. And the very first automation idea I have in the list is automatically share YouTube videos on Facebook page. Yes, it is possible. As soon as you're going to upload your YouTube video on your YouTube channel, the same video will be shared automatically on your Facebook page. For that, you just need to build a connection in YouTube and Facebook application with the help of an automation software. And after that, every time you're going to upload the video, the same video will be shared on the social networking website Facebook. And not just on Facebook, if you want to automate the same process with the Telegram, with Discord, or with any other social media website, that is also possible. My team has already recorded a video on the same automation. If you want to set this automation for yourself, you can check my description box and check this whole video on the same automation. Okay, moving further, I have another automation idea in the list is automatically upload Zoom meeting recordings on YouTube channel. Yes, that process can be also automated. Whenever your meeting recordings, your Zoom meeting recordings are done, the same recordings can be uploaded on YouTube channel automatically. Yes, every time the meeting recording is finished, the video will be uploaded automatically on your YouTube channel. And again, you just need to connect these applications with the help of an automation software, and this is how you can automate your Zoom meeting recording uploading task. Okay, and again, if you want to set this automation for yourself, my team has recorded a video on the very same automation, and I have attached the link of that video in my description box. Go to my description box and check this amazing automation ideas. Okay, so the third automation idea I have in the list is upload YouTube videos from Google Sheets. A YouTube video automation, a very interesting automation. You just need to add your file URL, the title and the tags, or maybe the description in your Google Sheet. And once you have connected your Google Sheets with your YouTube channel, the same video along with all details will be uploaded on your YouTube channel again automatically. Okay, and this automation is really helpful if you do not want to share your YouTube channel access with anyone. So what you can do is you can simply share the access of your Google Sheet, and your team will add the video URL and other details, and everything will be done with the help of an automation. You do not even have to share the access of your YouTube channel. Okay, so if you want to set this automation for yourself, again, my team has recorded a video on the very same topic. You can actually check my description box, watch that video and set this automation for yourself with the help of an automation software. Okay, so another automation idea I have in the list is automatically update thumbnails of YouTube videos. So assume that you have a list of YouTube videos whose thumbnails need to be updated. So here you have two choices. Either you can ask your team to manually open each video and update the thumbnail of that specific video again and again, or you can again entirely automate this process. Yes, every time you want to update the thumbnail of any video, add the thumbnail URL along with the video details into your spreadsheet, and you will see how the thumbnail will be updated automatically on your YouTube channel. You do not even have to share the access of your YouTube channel with the team. Simply share the access of your spreadsheet, and this is how the process can be automated. If you're still not sure how you can do that, if you don't believe that this process can be automated, again, go to my description box and check the full video on the very same automation. Okay, let's see what is the next automation idea we have in the list is automatically reply to YouTube video comments. Well, this automation is really useful for all the YouTubers here who are getting lots and lots of comments on their channel, but they are unable to reply those comments, because of which their subscribers are really not happy. Okay, so here what I'm going to do is, as soon as I will receive a new comment on my YouTube video, a software called as OpenAI will automatically generate a reply, will automatically generate a comment, and the same comment will send as a reply on the very same comment. Okay, yes, this process can be also automated. And if you do not believe that how the process can be automated, if you're not sure, again, my team member has already done a video, a very nice video on the same automation, that how one can reply to the YouTube comments automatically. Go to my description box and check this amazing automation automation which is really useful for all the YouTubers here. Okay, moving further, I have another automation idea is automatically get YouTube channel stats on WhatsApp every day. So assume that you have a habit to keep on checking your YouTube channel stats every day, but because of your busy schedule sometimes you miss checking these stats every day. Okay, so what if I tell you someone is going to share these stats on your WhatsApp number every day, and this someone is not your team member? This is going to be an automation. Yes, it is possible with the help of an automation that every day the channel stats will be fetched up automatically, and you can get those stats on your WhatsApp automatically and daily. If you want to set this automation for yourself, if you want to receive your channel stats on your WhatsApp on the daily basis, again you can check my description box because I have attached the link of this video into my description box. So these were some amazing automation ideas that can definitely help you in automating your daily repetitive and manual work. And if you are running a YouTube channel, if you are a YouTuber, now you do not have to hire a lot of team members in order to run your YouTube channel. You can simply start with the automation, simply start automating your small things and reduce your manual work, reduce your maintenance work. Link of all the automations is available in the description box. If you are looking for more business automation ideas, visit our channel, that is Pabbly. Thank you for watching.